Hi, to enable call forwarding on your CMF phone one, firstly you need to find and open your phone app and then tap on the three dots and go in settings. So from here simply choose this section calling accounts and tap on your network provider right here on top. After that you should see those few features in which you need to choose call forwarding. And now after you tap it you'll see several tabs. Always forward for all calls to be forwarded to the specific number. When busy, ideal if you are busy talking and someone else is trying to call at the same time. This when unanswered, so no answer, the call will go to the preset number. And when unreachable, so when the phone is disconnected or in an area with poor signal. The call will also be forwarded to the specific number. So just select something, for example, when busy. Here, answer phone number, or you can tap this icon and select someone from your contacts list, and then choose to turn on. And after that, you'll enable call forwarding. So that's it, how it works. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.